Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best cordless ratchet kits. The ratcheting socket wrenches make it easy, safer and more efficient to remove or tighten nuts and bolts. Whilst for mechanics and DIYers there is still a place for hand tools, cordless power tools may be the better option when performing numerous time-consuming repetitive tasks. Not only will it drive in lag screws with ease, and so much more, making a cordless ratchet power tool a must-have in these auto repair shops or garages. We ranked cordless ratchet kits on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The cordless ratchet kit coming in at number 5 is the Milwaukee 245721 cordless M12 ratchet kit. This ratchet kit is ideal for auto mechanics who want maximum performance from this compact cordless tool with a 3/4 inch low profile compact head for work in tight spaces and engine bays. It has a powerful 12 volt motor that produces 35 foot-pounds of torque and a super fastening speed of 250 RPM for power and speed. The Milwaukee 245721 3/8 of an inch cordless M12 ratchet kit has a durable variable speed trigger and the M12 lithium batteries recharge in less than 30 minutes, plus it has a built-in LED light which illuminates dark work surfaces. Number 4 on our list is the ACDelco ARW1209 K9 G12 series cordless ratchet wrench kit. This compact, powerful combo kit comes with two cordless ratchets, a 3/8 of an inch drive with 30 foot-pounds of torque, 240 RPM, and a 1/4 inch drive also with 30 foot-pounds and 240 RPM. They are made from high-quality materials for fast and easy removal work. The steel alloy 3/8 of an inch and 1/4 drive compact heads are great for working in tight, dark places. The ACDelco G12 series cordless ratchet wrench kit has an ergonomic soft grip handle plus a slim body design with a secure grip for maximum safety, control and comfort during long working hours. The cordless ratchet wrench kit coming in at number 3 is the S-Long cordless electric ratchet wrench set. This kit contains a 3/8 of an inch ratchet wrench powered by a 12 volt motor with up to 400 RPM providing huge torque and a variable speed trigger for 0 to 400 and excellent control. Its scientific compact design, slim shape, low neck profile and LED light make it comfortable to work in dark, tight, congested spaces in the garage or on site. The S-Long cordless electric ratchet wrench set has a power indicator that accurately displays the remaining power, and the set comes with a fast charger for the 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. Number 2 is the Aoben cordless ratchet wrench set. This 3/8 of an inch ratchet is high performance with a 12 volt motor that delivers 40 foot-pounds of torque, plus it has a power indicator showing clearly the battery power left and a set of 2 long-lasting rechargeable batteries which are included. It has a good grip with its ergonomic handle for you to successfully work in odd positions and with different levels of light without the tool slipping from your hand. The Aoben cordless electric ratchet wrench set has a fast and flexible head that works swiftly in a clockwise direction, loosening or tightening nuts easily on your automobile, and all parts can be organised in the compact toolbox included with the kit. Finally, coming in at number 1, the cordless ratchet wrench kit that we recommend is the KIMO 3/8 cordless electric ratchet wrench set. This 3/8 of an inch cordless ratchet wrench has a copper motor which delivers a max torque of 40 foot-pounds at 400 RPM, and it comes with 2 powerful 1000 charge cycle batteries and has a fuel gauge indicator. It has a non-slip ergonomic handle for comfort and a low profile ultra slim head design that allows you to work in congested, hard to reach places with ease and comfort, plus a forward or reverse switch allows for easy transitions. The KIMO cordless electric ratchet wrench set has a variable speed trigger that goes from 0 to 400 RPM so you stay in control, and a lock off switch to avoid unintended triggering which keeps you safe. So that's it, the 5 cordless ratchet wrench kits which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful cordless tool kits tips, do drop them in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you in your projects again soon. Good luck.